Hi guys, Joy here. So today I will do a home tour video, but I'm going to leave my house as is. It's slightly before 9 p.m. now, and I got home around 8, a little bit after 8. And it's been a long day, and I took a shower because I've been covered in dirt. My eyes feel itchy, and I'm coughing a little bit from like all the Clorox from me working today. And you can hear my laundry machine beeping. I don't know if you can hear it right now in the video, but so today you get to see a minimalist who has a dirty home, and it's like I said, you know, cleaning and minimizing and decluttering, those are all great, but sometimes we just don't have time for it, even if I have so little stuff. So today it should be interesting. I decided not to even put on any makeup and just let you guys see how ugly I am. I don't really think that, but anyway, you know, it's a more raw, I guess, type of tour today. And I'm tired, so without further ado, let's do a house tour. Let's go. So today we will start over here with my camera stand. My trusted backpack, there's a bunch of paperwork in there, and then some of my clothes that are up there. And of course I got laundry in there. And that outfit is like my work outfit. I'm going to wear that actually again tomorrow. And instead of having it folded away with the nice clothes, well, I mean the fresh clothes, I just left them in this corner because why not? And over here you can see my trash and then some of my plastic bag. And on my kitchen, what am I doing? Not even turning the light on. You can tell I'm tired. You see, there's dishes from last night that I didn't do. I couldn't really get to it, or I didn't really want to get to it. Let's just leave it at that. It's not that I couldn't. Let's not use weaponized incompetence on ourselves, okay? I can totally do it, I just didn't do it. At least I admit that. There's a bunch of, you know, rice that I haven't eaten yet because I have been eating out. Have I mentioned I'm not perfect? I think I have many times. Just in case some of y'all get offended. It's like, oh. And then I just did my laundry there, so I need to actually throw all of these on there. I was gonna throw them on there and start filming, but I still had some minutes left on the washing machine, so I decided not to do that. Anyway, over here is my jacket, and let's look in here on my fridge. Ice, more food trash down here. Yeah, I've been diligently eating some of my stuff. So yeah, not that many apples left. They're actually really great snacks. It's my living room tour. I didn't fold a blanket. Habits of successful people, you should fold your blanket. But yeah, I didn't do it, whatever. Yeah, and then here's my bathroom over here. Hi guys. Also, I'm wearing this jacket because I'm not wearing a bra. Because, you know, I'm at home, I'm a woman. I don't really feel like wearing a bra. If I didn't have creepy people just like lusting over me, like whatever, whenever they see a nipple on a woman, I would totally just not wear this jacket, but it is what it is. It is what it is until people grow the flick up. Anyway, so here's shampoo, and then I actually got rid of my treatment, so this is the conditioner. So at least I got to declutter that, which I'm very happy about. But I'm almost out of this cream as well, so time for me to buy more moisturizer. That's something that I do buy a lot. Got one toilet paper. Oh shoot, I should really buy more toilet papers. So yeah, that's about it actually, you guys. There's really nothing to tour in this house. Hi guys, so that was the apartment tour of a minimalist who is not completely organized or who is overwhelmed with other stuff. And you can tell I actually took out the dried laundry on the floor. This is where I would fold my laundry before putting them away in this basket. And then I already hung up the wet clothes that was in the washer. Not that many clothes, just like a shirt or something. Maybe I'll show you guys. Yeah, that's about it. I just wanted to make this video because, you know, I was saying it's because I've been preoccupied with other things, and then I had quite an eventful week this last week. Yeah, I got good news too. I told you guys that I had like an important interview. I got it, and it's not really for a job, but anyway, I will get back to it in the future. Anyway, I just wanted to tell you guys, like, one of the things that actually one of the comments, recent comments, somebody has mentioned that they're not sure if they can call themselves a minimalist because even if they declutter all the time, they still have it seems like they still have stuff, a lot more stuff. And one of the things that it's not particular to them, but it actually reminded me of something that I wanted to say in the last video. In that I am able to declutter a lot and practice this extreme modern minimalism because I have a lot of other things in my life that actually fill the void of what stuff can fulfill. So this is why I think that a lot of people actually hold on to objects. For instance, you might hold on to a painting that you did because it makes you feel like you're creative, or it inspires you or something like that. But because for me, I was able to declutter my paintings or something like that because I found another creative medium, which is making a video. And I used to be an avid painter actually. And then it has changed to doing hair, which is also creative type of work. And then it has evolved into making videos and things like that. So I just want to say, if you have so many things and you feel like a lot of your identity and like your inner sense of purpose is tied to your things, there might be a sign that I mean, there's nothing wrong with that. If things are what makes you happy, maybe you're like a product designer and beautiful things really make you happy, and then more kudos to you. But if you feel like you have way too much stuff and you cannot let go of any item because your identity is so tied to all your objects, maybe before you even get rid of that item, maybe you should search for another activity that's like non-materialistic, or another like goal that you could have. You could say like, okay, I'm going to declutter a lot of books, but then maybe I'll start reading one book a month on my Kindle or something like that, If you start focusing on other type of things that could bring you the fulfillment that like an object can, and sense of security that an object can, then you should pursue that. And at least that's what I do with my life, If I feel like I am missing, I don't know, let's say I'm missing how nicely dressed I am, or how I want to buy a really fancy, expensive dress, instead of buying the dress, I would buy stocks or something like that, because then I will see the money go up, and then I will be reminded that, for me at least, it's more important to have higher net worth than looking like I have a lot of money and be in debt in reality or something like that. So, I mean, not one way to live is better than the other. It's just that for me, I mean, I have had a period in my life where I would want designer items, or I would like care about like what looks cool to other people. But then I have evolved from that to just accepting how I am in real life. For instance, I always imagine myself being like or wish that I was like a popular social person, but in reality I cherish being alone so much, and I thrive in creativity when I do a lot of activities alone, like practicing to create beautiful hairstyles, or making a YouTube video, or studying a lot to get a great grade or something like this. This is where I thrive, and I really don't need as much social stimulation. So I guess in a way that makes it easier for me to practice minimalism, because I'm not really too concerned about how other people view me as far as my possessions go. And I just want to feel like that I'm safe and that I have enough security in my life, and that differs depending on each people. But I feel like if you're already looking at my video, or if you're looking at minimalist videos, unless you're searching for a video to be pissed off at, usually when people seek out certain content, that means they're seeking something. And if you feel like you're interested in minimalism, or if it's something that you started watching, then maybe some part of you, like deep inside, feels like there's something that's lacking. So I'm just doing my best to let you know what I know from my personal experience, what has worked for me, which is I look for other ways to feel secure and fulfilled that's not related to material things, which makes decluttering so much easier, because at the end of the day, I really view clothes, like for instance, as like cottons and polyester. A lot of the objects, they're just plastic or some kind of chemicals, so they really don't carry as much value as some of the intangible benefits that I get from investing my time and my energy in different areas that are not related to materials. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's going to be a crazy week this week and next week. I really hope to bring you guys more interesting content in the future, and even when I'm more well-kept than this, but we'll see. I'm not promising anything, and I hope you guys don't mind. And thank you guys so much, by the way, for continued support. I see my channel growing, and it's just incredible every day. And I will try to reply to every single one of your comments, unless I feel like they're not really in line with minimalism or who I am as a person. But for the most part, yeah, I will try to show you guys how much I appreciate you guys, as long as I can. until my channel grows too big that I can't really personally reply to everyone. But yeah, I'm just doing my best like everybody else, and I'm rambling again because I'm tired. So I hope you guys have a great morning, afternoon, evening, night, wherever you're in the world. I'm sending you all my love and all my care. Bye.